ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि योगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांचिये। Third chapter Karma Yoga we have been seeing. Bhagwan said, those who listens to me, those who follow my words, they attain liberation. While doing karmas, they are not affected. Those who don't have faith in me, those who finds faults in me, they are trapped. They ruin their life by themselves. Then Bhagwan started saying about uh, senses and sense objects. And then Jnani person also behaves as per his nature. It's very difficult to control sense organs. Now Bhagwan is telling that we have our own duty, Swadharma, and there is something called Paradharma, others' duty. So Bhagwan says we may like what others are doing. We may not like what we are doing, but we have to do what we are supposed to do. Swadharma we should follow, though Paradharma is wonderful, fascinating. We should die in our own dharma, but we should follow Swadharma. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः श्रेयान् स्वधर्मः विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मः भयावहः भय आवहः. Vigraha we saw, we splitted the sandhi and the words which are combined. Now Anvaya, arranging in proper sequence. Swanushthitaat paradharmat विगुणः स्वधर्मः स्वधर्मः विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्म विस श्रेयान् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः. Very beautiful, very important shloka. So Swanushtitat, like which is nicely followed or inculcate in our daily life. What? Anusthana, like you do it actually, you perform it. Swanushthitat, you do on your own, not someone is doing. Paradharmat, but it is others' duty. So others' duty which you are following. Vigunaha, that is Vigunaha, not good. Swadharmaha, Shreyan. Swadharma is Shreya. Swadharma is superior. Okay. So Swadharma is superior than other dharma. Why? Swadharma will give you Mahato Bhayat Vimuchyate, we have seen before in second chapter. Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyah. Shreyah, it is worth that. Swadharme Nidhanam. It is worth dying in Swadharma. It may not be good. So, Vigunaha Swadharmaha, that Swadharma which is not good, is Shreyan, superior than Swanushtitat Paradharmat, than performing others' duty. So one's own Swadharma, one's own is Vigunaha, may not be good, but it is superior than Swanushtitat Paradharmat, others' dharma. Better death is the good option in Swadharma. Paradharma Bhayavaha. Paradharma is going to generate fear in us. Paradharma is actually fearful. We should not follow others' dharma. If you are Brahmana, you should do Brahmana dharma karma. If you are Kshatriya, you should do your karma. If you are Kshudra, you should do all your karma. So, specific karmas, specific people should do. Though, Vigunaha Swadharma. Swadharma is not good. I don't like it, but we should follow it. For example, dhoti, kurta wearing our Swadharma. I don't like it. I like t-shirts, hoodies, then different things. I like it. But you have to wear when it is necessary, you go for tradition. Actually, we should do follow our dharma, but it's not in only cloth. Okay, I just gave one example which came to my mind. One example I gave. Aga swadharmaha apula. जरी का कठिनु जाहला तरिहा अनुष्ठिला भला देखे अगा स्वधर्म आपुला जरी का कठिनु जाहला तरिहा अनुष्ठिला भला देखे. This conversion is, I'll talk about a little bit then. This conversion is right now worst topic. See, India is actually not India now. The way we wanted, the way our ancestor desires. Now, Kerala is not in our hand. Hyderabad is not in our hand. Then this Paschim Bengal, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is not in India, but the Kolkata, that side, that is not in our hand. So, this Tamil Nadu also almost gone. There is less reverence for Hinduism, less reverence for Hindu rituals. So you see, out of these many states, 4 states we have lost now. And like that, they are spreading a lot. You know, they're only one job they are doing. Just multiply the progeny and take over the places of India. So meanwhile, the conversion also happens. We, the Hindu, we don't like our own dharma. Wearing tilakam, putting chandanam. We don't like going to pilgrimage, praying to God. We don't like. We say many gods are there in our dharma. This Islamist or the Christianity is best. Only one God, one religion, no discrimination. See, this is a big topic. Very big topic. Need of the hour, you can say now. So this conversion happens. We don't like our own dharma. We started liking their dharma because they create notion in our head that Hinduism is worst. Hinduism is, confused dharma, outdated dharma. Like that, they create confusion. We should be very alert. We should be very vigilant and alert when it comes to our dharma. We should know all things in our dharma. Why there are many gods? Why do we worship? Why do we pray? Why do we light a lamp? Otherwise, people will come and they shake you up. Not only Islamic people or Christianity does conversion. All other sects are also there. Different organizations. They'll come and they'll talk, ill about Hinduism. Though they are Hindu, they don't follow Hinduism, but they'll come and comment on Hinduism. Why do they light a lamp? wasting of milk, our Hindu people. So this somewhere should be adjusted, otherwise, or corrected, otherwise India will be in their hand. Very consciously I am saying these words. India will be in their hand if we are not awake. Today also you see what is happening in Bangladesh. What is the plight of Bangladesh Hindus? We can say we can see the plight of Hindus in Pakistan also. And you see how Muslims are enjoying here in India. They are just looting all of us away. So we should not be divided in castes. We should be united as a Hindu. First, I am Hindu, then I am whoever you want, Channav, Kuli, whoever you are. First, you are Hindu. All these people, they came, they divided all of us in different this caste and the system, and they won over us. So we must be united and we should love our dharma. When love will come? When we understand our dharma correctly, then there is a love. We understand science behind our dharma, then we will love. Then there is no, conversion, or we like other dharma. And only one religion is there. All other are cults only. Only one religion, that is Hinduism. That is why Vigunaha Swadharma, though our Swadharma, our dharma has no shortcomings. We feel that. And other dharma, Anushtitat, Paradharmat Anushtitat, though it is great, we should die in our dharma. Swadharme nidhanam shreya. Like that Maharana Pratap was, like that Shivaji Maharaj was, like that Sambhaji Maharaj was. So we should be very, very firm towards our dharma. I had to speak this. This is very current, very, very serious, important topic. If you want, India to be as India, otherwise one day it will become green. This should not happen, I pray to God. But if you see closely, the symptoms are like that. Slowly they spread, they capture our areas, they grow more, and then we come into minority, then they kick us out, or we don't feel like living with them and we just go out. So, and then they take care of that, then they take over of that place, and slowly they increase. Like for many areas are there, if you go to Mumbai, few, we won't like to go in few places. Like Mumbai is there. Then this last time something happened. So many things are happening. You see Kolhapur, that Panhalagad. Who cares? Hindus are, they don't even care what is happening in their dharma. One last point I'll tell and we'll conclude this topic. Every Friday they meet, all Muslim people. Every Sunday, all Christian people, they meet. How to spread our dharma? How to increase count in our dharma? What can be done to strengthen our dharma? When Hindus they meet, so we should meet. We should be united to work against this, the conversion happening or the invasion is happening. We should work against it. Chalo. We should love our dharma. That will happen when we understand our dharma. Aga swadharmuha apula जरिका कठिणु जाहला तरिहा अनुष्ठिला भला देखे. So, though swadharma apula, one's own dharma, kathinu jahala, it's very difficult to follow. Doing japa in this age, going to pilgrimages, offering, doing pujas for 10-15 minutes, difficult. Reading scriptures, difficult. Tari ha anushthila bhala dekhe, ha swadharma, Hindu dharma, swadharma should be followed, no matter how difficult it is. येर आचारु जो परावा तो देखता कीर बरवा परी आचरतेनी आचरावा आपुलाची. येरु आचारु जो परावा तो देखता कीर बरवा परी आचरतेनी आचरावा आपुलाची. So our dharma is difficult to follow, still we have to follow. Okay, now others dharma. Eru acharuzo parava, yeru acharuzo parava. Others achara dharma, parava others acharu dharma. Dekhata kira barava, dekhata if you see that, barava very nice others dharma. परे आचरते नियाचरावा आपुलाची, but आपुलाची आचरावा आचरतेनी, but follower should follow our own dharma, though others dharma is very very nice, very important. Nanesha Maharaj is pointing out. Now you see the wonderful example. Now again, don't come and comment that, oh, Naneshwar Maharaj is doing casteism. It's not like that. In those days, it was little bit strict. Okay, I understand. Nowadays, we should be united. That's all. Sange Shudra Ghari Aghavi Pakwane Ahati Baravi Ti Dvije Kevi Sevavi Durbalu Zari Zahala Sange Shudra Ghari Aghavi Pakwane Ahati Baravi Ti Dvije Kevi Sevavi Durbalu Zari Zahala. What example means? We, our dharma may not be good, means it is good, but we don't consider it. Our dharma may not be good, others dharma may be good, still we should do our dharma. For that example is given. There is one Shudra. Sange Shudra Ghari Agavi Pakwane Ahati Baru. In that Shudra person's house, like in that worker's house, there are very delicious and very sumptuous pakwan food is there. And there is one Brahmana, Dvijay. He is very poor. He is very weak. Still, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, though the Brahmana is very weak, poor, still that Brahmana should not go to worker's house and eat those food. So now Dhaneshwar Maharaj is discriminating? No. How much importance should be given to one's own dharma? Dhaneshwar Maharaj is telling that Dvija, he may be Durbala, may be weak, but he should make somehow, anyhow, his food and he should eat. Dhaneshwar Maharaj is giving more and more importance to own duty. Not that we should not go to Shudra's house. And that time it was little bit strict also. So a person who is Brahmana, who is weak, though a labor or though a worker is having good, sumptuous food, delicious food in his house, still we should not go. Nareshwar Maharaj says, wonderful. He अनुचित कैसे नी कीजे अप्राप्य केवि इच्छिजे अथवा इच्छिले ही पाविजे विचारी पा. हे अनुचित कैसे नी कीजे अप्राप्य केवि इच्छिजे अथवा इच्छिले ही पाविजे विचारी पा. हे अनुचित कैसे नी कीजे. So, you know, just because my dharma is not good, I will follow others' dharma. That how it can be done? Anuchita kaise nikije. How can someone follow paradharma, others' dharma? Okay. Aprapya kevi ichhije. What we don't have. Why we should desire for that? What we okay. Aprapya kevi ichhije. That which is not desirous. It's very difficult. It's untenable to have it. Aprapya, we should not get it. Okay. That which is not suitable to have, kevi ichhije. Why we should desire for that? That we should not have. That which we should not have. Why should we desire for that? So first is anuchita kaise nikije. Why someone should perform others dharma, improper actions. Aprapya kevi sevije. What is, you know, not fit to get it. Why someone should desire that? अथवा और इच्छिले ही पा अथवा इच्छिले ही पाविजे विचारी पा. Or if someone is willing to follow others' dharma, still should we do that? अथवा इच्छिले ही पाविजे विचारी पा. If we wish to follow someone's dharma, we wish, this is my own wish that I should follow other dharma. You think, should we do that? So one thing is we should not do improper action. What is, you know, not good to have it, that we should not desire. केवी चीज है. And if at all, if at all we desire to perform others action, still we should not do. अथवा इच्छिले ही पाविजे विचारी पा. You should not do that. Examples you see. So, though we desire, should we have it? Like that, the last sentence was. तरी लोकांची ढवळारे देखोनिया मनोहरे असती आपुली तनारे मोडावी केवी. ब्यूटिफुल एग्जाम्पल. तरी लोकांची ढवळारे देखोनिया मनोहरे असती आपुली तणारे मोडावी केवी. तरी example, लोकांची ढवळारे, big buildings of people. देखोनिया manohare, big buildings, very nicely structured. Architecture is there, and civil engineer has designed it. And one person is having hut made up of grass. And he thought that, oh, that person is having big building, like 1+1, and very big rooms, like a mansion. Tanare modavi kevi. Having seen the prosperity of other people, if we have normal hut, should we destroy that hut? A straw hut. Tanare, straw hut made up of grass. Should we destroy that? No. Person who is having building, let him live there. What I have hut. I will go and reside there. So this is very important. मनोहरे ढवळारे लोकांची देखोनी आपली असती तनारे मोडावी केवी. We should not break it. Wonderful example. I don't know what Dhaneshwar Maharaj, how he went in this direction. If he has gone, it must be right only. असो वणिता आपुली कुरूपजरी जाहली तरी भोगिता तेची भली जिया परी. असो वणिता आपुली कुरूपजरी जाहली tari bhogita te भली जिया परी. Naresh Sharma gives example of a wife. Now he says your wife may not be beautiful. Vanita आपुली वनिता जरी कुरूप जाहली तरी भोगिता तेची भली जिया. This is Dhaneshwari. Simple words. You know, like a baby, he's again and again telling same thing. आपुली वनिता कुरूप जरी जाहली. जरी कुरूप जाहली तरी तेची भोगिता भली. Like that, though you may be having a wife who is not beautiful, but you are supposed to be with your wife. No, but I like that other lady. You should not go. You should do your dharma. Now he says, like that, Jia Pari, like that, no matter how many sankatas, no matter how many problems they come, you should do your duty. तेवी आवडे तैसा साकडू आचरता जरी दुवाडू तरी स्वधर्मूची सुरवाडू पारत्रिकीचा. तेवी आवडे तैसा साकडू आचरता जरी दुवाडू तरी स्वधर्मूची सुरवाडू पारत्रिकीचा. तेवी, like that, just like person who is having normal wife, he should love that wife only. He should not go anywhere. Tevi, like that. आवडे तैसा साकडू. And there are so many difficulties, obstacles, problems are there. Achare jari duwadu, it's very difficult to follow. Doing Agnihotra and everything very difficult. Tari, we should do Swadharma. Why? Because Swadharma is going to help you after dropping this body. तरी तरी स्वधर्मूची सुरवाडू पारत्रिकीचा तरी. सो वाय स्वधर्मची सुरवाडू पारत्रिकेचा. स्वधर्म is a flourishing factor in this life also and after this life also. So here and hereafter, Swadharma is going to help you. So we must follow Swadharma. Duadu acharita acharata zari. It may be difficult to follow, practice. There may be many obstacles when you do it, but still you do that. Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful example. Haga sakarani दूध हे गौल्य की प्रसिद्ध परिकृमि दोषी विरुद्ध घेपे केवी. हागा साकर आणि दूध हे गौल्य की प्रसिद्ध परिकृमि दोषी विरुद्ध घेपे केवी. He says sugar and milk, साकर आणि दूध हे गौल्य की प्रसिद्ध. It is sweet, it is world renowned. Sugar is sweet, milk is sweet. परी कृमिदोषी विरुद्ध घेपे केवी. But a person who is suffering from worms, you know, worms in body, inside. Ghepe kevi krumidoshi, a person who is suffering from worm. Ghepe kevi, how he should take that? Though it is sweet, sugar is sweet, milk is sweet, it is world renowned. But how a person who is having problem through worms, he should take it? Because the sugar will help to increase the count of those worms in his body. Maharaj says, ऐसे निही जरी सेविजे तरिते आळुकीची उरिजे. ओके, ऐसे नि जरी सेवेल सेवी अयो. ऐसे नि जरी सेवी जेल. Here ल is there. ऐसे नि जरी सेवी जेल तरी ते आळुकीची उरेल. जे ते परिणामी पथ्य नव्हेल धनुर्धरा. ऐसे नि जरी सेविजेल तरी ते आळुकीची उरेल. जे ते परिणामी पथ्य नव्हेल धनुर्धरा. ऐसे नि, if it is going to create problem, you know already, and your swadharma is great, you should do your dharma, everything is there, you know everything. I say nihi, even though you know the consequences of doing others' dharma and not doing your dharma, zari sevijel. No, 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 no. Everything is fine. Bhagwan Krishna Gita, everything is nice, but I don't want to do it. I don't follow. I don't have trust in Bhagwan's word. Tari te alukichi urel. Then your stubbornness will remain. So that person who is having worms in his stomach, initially when he takes sweet and that milk, he may be feeling good. Oh, it's nice. Aisen is very savage. That Krumidoshi person, if he drinks that, Alukichi urel, temporary satisfaction will be there. But Jete Parinami Pathyanavela Dhanurdhara. But at the end or in the results, that consuming of sugar and milk will give bad result. It is not at all good. Okay, he won't be able to digest that. A person who is having worm in his stomach. So like that, you know Swadharma is good, Paradharma is bad. Still you do Paradharma. Then there is a problem for you. You will be in प्रॉब्लेम्स जेते परिणामी पथ्य नवेल धनुर्धरा. So there will be problems later. म्हणोनी अनिकांसी जे विहित आणि आपण पेया अनुचित ते नाचरावे जरी हित विचारी जे. म्हणोनी अनिकांसी जे विहित आणि आपण पेया अनुचित ते नाचरावे जरी हित विचारी जे. म्हणोनी therefore what अनेकांसी जे विहित what is good or enjoined by shastra. अनेकांसी but not for me, for others. अनेकांसी जे विहित आणि but आपण पेया अनुचित but it is not good for me. For example, Brahmana has this teaching, adhyan adhyapana. He should study scriptures and he should teach scriptures. So this is vihita karma for Brahmana. And apanapeya anuchita. And if I am kshatriya, I should protect my nation, my family. I should I should protect my country if I am kshatriya. Okay, but this teaching and learning is from Brahmana. That is good for him. And the teaching and learning is not good for me. ते नाचरावे जरी हित विचारिजे. So we should not do someone's good actions which is not good for me, which is not enjoined by me, which is not enjoined by Shastra on me. Then what should we do? Jari hit vichariche. If you want your good to happen, te nacharave, you should not do what other people are doing, what other people's dharma is. Anikansi vihita. It may be good for them and it may not be good for you. Apan pe anuchita. Still means then we should not do, we should not perform this others good actions also. या स्वधर्मा ते अनुष्ठिता वेचू वेचू होईल जीविता तोही निकावर उभयता दिसत असे. या स्वधर्मा ते अनुष्ठिता वेचू होईल जीविता तोही निकावर उभयता दिसत असे. स्वधर्माथे अनुष्ठिता. You are doing, you are following your own dharma, own duties you are doing, and you die while doing it, though it is painful, but still you opted that I will do it, my own dharma. वेचू जीविता होईल किंवा जीविता वेचू होईल. If you lose your life, तोही निकावर उभयता दिसत असे. That dying is also good for you. तोही निका वर उभयता दिसत असे. That is good for you here and hereafter. If you die while doing your duty, it is good here and hereafter also. So we must do our dharma. We must die doing our dharma. Doesn't matter. ऐसे समस्त सुर शिरोमणी बोलिले जेथ श्री शारंग पाणी तेथ अर्जुन म्हणे विणवणी असे देवा. ऐसे समस्त सुर शिरोमणी बोलिले जेथ श्री शारंग पाणी तेथ अर्जुन म्हणे विनवनी असे देवा. अर्जुन says, O samasta shiromani, O the crest jewel of all great people, crowning jewel, samasta, Sura, all gods. Shiromani, who is the crowning jewel of all God. And he said, thus you have spoken what you wanted to speak. Sharangapani, one who is having, Sharangapani, the bow in hand, Sharangapani. Thus you have spoken. Bolile you have spoken already. Teth Arjuna Mhane Vinavani. Arjuna says that, Lord, I have one request. Tetha, there means where Bhagavan already spoke. There Arjuna Mhane, there Arjuna says that, Deva Vinavani Ase. There is one request, one question. Could you please clarify that? What a wonderful question he is asking, you see. हे जे तुम्ही सांगितले ते सकळ की रम्या परिसले परी आता पुसेन काही आपुले अपेक्षित हे जे तुम्ही सांगितले ते सकळ की रम्या परिसले परी आता पुसेन काही आपुले अपेक्षित हे हे तुम्ही जे सांगितले this whatever you have told ते all of that ते सकळ everything म्या परिसले I heard it I understood it ते सकळ कीर परिसले indeed I have understood whatever you have told so far परी आता पुसेन काही आपुले अपेक्षित परी but आता now अपेक्षित काही आपुले पुसेन but now what I have in my mind what I expect question in my mind or what I want to ask that I will ask you now. So now I will ask what is there in my mind or what I want from you. Apekshita. What I desire from you, Bhagwan, that I will ask to you. So this much we could see today because we saw some other topics which are very, very important. On that you do vichar. सकळ धर्माचे कारण नामस्मरण हरी कीर्तन दया क्षमा समाधान दया क्षमा समाधान संत जन साधिती संत जन साधिती निज धर्म हा चोखडा नाम उच्चारू घड घडा निज धर्म हा चोखडा नाम उच्चारू घड घडा भुक्ती मुक्तीचा सवंगडा भुक्ती मुक्तीचा सवंगडा हा भव सिंधू तारक हा भव सिंधू तारक निज धर्म हा चोखडा नाम उच्चारू घड घडा लावण्य मान्यता विद्यावंत सखे स्वजन पुत्र कलत्र लावण्य मान्यता विद्यावंत सखे स्वजन पुत्र कलत्र विषय भोग वयसा व्यर्थ देहासहित मरणावर्ती देहासहित मरणावर्ती निज धर्म हा चोखडा नाम उच्चारू घड घडा भुक्ती मुक्तीचा सवंगडा, भुक्ती मुक्तीचा सवंगडा, सन हा भवसिंधू तारक, हा भवसिंधू तारक, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, नाम उच्चारू घड घडा. जे जे देखणे सकळ, ते हे स्वप्नीचे मृगजळ, म्हणून चिंती चरण कमळ, म्हणून चिंती चरण कमळ, रखुमा देवीवर विठ्ठलाचे, रखुमा देवीवर विठ्ठलाचे, रखुमा देवीवर विठ्ठलाचे, रखुमा देवीवर विठ्ठलाचे, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, नाम उच्चारू घड घडा, भुक्ती मुक्तीचा सवंगडा, हा भव सिंधू तारक, हा भव सिंधू तारक, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, निज धर्म हा चोखडा, निज धर्म हा चोखडा. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, 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 देव तुकाराम, तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम, पुंडलिक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय, माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय, जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय, सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.